Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to The Littlest Chef. My name is Natalie, and in today's episode, we're gonna make a nice, delicious soup because it's cold outside.